identifying is happening when we have an experience in our perception and then we add to it. For example, with the example that I have right here, you're standing in the fields and you're enjoying the sun and you go like, oh, I really enjoy this standing here, so nice. I wish that I could come by more often. I should actually come by more often. I should not be so influenced by other people wants and what everybody else wants me to do. I should just do what I want to do. If only I could stay here a bit longer. I need to leave soon. And also if I have to avoid traffic, and I wonder if I have enough pasta at home or if I need to get some on the way back. I could also actually call somebody and ask them to buy it for me. Nah, it's better if I get it myself. You know, they will never get the right pasta anyways. Oh, hang on, that's actually road work. If I take the second exit instead, then I can avoid the road work completely. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to leave now to make that. I wish I could stay here a bit longer. Well, it's like that with all these obligations, isn't it? It's not fair. Why is it always on me? I never have time to enjoy life. And all that goes through our mind while we're standing, enjoying a sunset or sunrise or just being present. And all that is identifying. All that is pulling you away from who you actually are and what you actually are doing. So identifying is when we have an experience in a perception. It can also be on a much smaller level than the one that I just, talked about here. It can be on the smaller level where it's just like, that's a strawberry. I like strawberries. Then there's an identifying with strawberry. I have no idea whether I like that strawberry, but I like strawberries in the past, which means I am one who likes strawberries. And in the identifying, obviously, when I just said about strawberries, it's just, a small thing. But it's also, for example, with sending out an email and people don't reply, and then you deduct and assume that it's because the person is not interested in you. Okay, I shouldn't mind about her anyway. So you make a lot of assumptions and deductions on your own experience. And obviously, as you have seen in a lot of my videos, that is obviously and clearly ego, clearly. That something is happening and then we assume and judge and deduct what is actually going on, which means that we're never really present. In some of the other videos, I'm also talking about that the only thing that you actually can perceive where there's no identifying with it, it's just what is in Buddhism is called the Vedana, where you have a pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral experience. So if you just right now notice your body, how it is to sit where you're sitting, how it feels in your body to be you, where your thoughts are at right now, then you can feel different places in your body where it's pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. And it just is as it is. There's no adding to it in any way. It just is.